In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error code in Rainbow Six Siege. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So I'm here in this article teaching us how to fix the Rainbow Six Siege error code that looks like this. So this error code can be sometimes caused by server issues or just within your internet connection. So how to fix this? The first fix is to verify the integrity of game files. So to do this, what you want to do is first open Steam. Now click on Library and right click on your Rainbow Six Siege game and select Properties. So in the pop-up window, switch to Local Files tab, then just click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Just wait until the process is finished and click Close. So the next fix we can do is to change our LAN settings. So the first step you want to do is to press Windows plus S on your keyboard to open Search Utility. Then type Internet Explorer in the box and select Internet Explorer app. Click the settings icon in the Internet Explorer and select Internet options as you can see right here. So in the pop-up window, click the Connections tab, then select LAN settings. Now check automatically the tech settings and click OK. Now apply the changes and restart your computer. The next fix we can do is to disable the antivirus programs temporarily. So if you have an antivirus app or a paid antivirus app that is running in the background, what you want to do is to simply disable it temporarily, as this could lead to connection issues in Rainbow Six Siege. The fourth fix we can do is to perform a clean boot. To do this, you want to press Windows plus R in your keyboard to invoke the run window. Type msconfig in the box and click OK to run system configuration. Now select the Services tab, then check Hide all Microsoft services and click Disable all. Now switch to Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Then right-click each item and select Disable. Now close the Task Manager and go back to System Configuration. Click Apply and OK to save the changes you have made and restart your PC. So that's it. So I hope all of these fixes helped you in your Rainbow Six Siege error code problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.